Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I will be explaining how I draft my message when messaging a client and what you should take into consideration when pricing your work. But before we start, I want to respond to some preoccupations which is on your mind, which is the issue of should you work for free when starting out? And the response is yes, you should work for free, but there are some things you need to take into consideration which I will be sharing in this video because you can't just work for free and don't gain anything. And I will be sharing some important tips as we move along. So watch all the videos so you don't miss out. So with that said, there are two main ways I message clients. First method, I will greet you and compliment on something about your recent post on your page or about your business. Tip number one when talking to a prospect. Always take your time and do your research about your prospect before messaging them. By doing so, they will feel you took your time on them and you are not just forwarding messages like how everyone else is doing. So after the greeting and the compliment, I'll wait now for you to respond. And once you respond, I transition. Then I present to you what I do and how it can help improve your business and a call to action. And the second method I use when talking to prospect is, this one can sound a little bit different, but I've been using it and it has been working for me. So when starting out, use what is working for you and you continue with it. In this method, I give you all the message at once. That is, I greet, I compliment, I explain what I do and how you can improve your business with samples of different work I have done previously. I make it as short as possible, straight to the point, and finally a call to action. And now you can ask me, where will I get sample work to show? Meanwhile, I'm just starting out. So here is another free tip for you. That is why I said earlier that you should opt to do work for free so you can have these samples. Another important tip when messaging prospect is, don't just message them and say you do something without showing it. This will make you stand out from other people because these business people receive many messages daily from graphic designer like you, and you should be able to stand out. If not, you will not get any clients. Another important tip is you should like, comment and subscribe if you are enjoying the video so far. This will help me create more good videos like this for you. I want you to comment down below if you have any shortcomings as a graphic designer. I might be of assistance or anybody can help you. Now, before doing your graphic design work for free, this is what you should take into consideration. First, the business owner should give you a good feedback if he enjoys your work. Second, he should recommend you to at least 3 people who need such services which you offer. Recommendation has power. I have once worked with someone for less than what I charge, and he later recommended me to 2 of his friends who paid me very well. I have linked the video where I talk about how I price my work in the description, so make sure you check it out. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because there are many good videos like this coming up. Stay creative.